walk on one very piece of this ground that Brazil is conquered day by day, with passion, dedication, and the willingness to break barriers, searching paths without borders. In a country where each region has a different climate and different roads, but are crossed by these brave people, with a will to win and who spares no effort to conquer it. That is WLM. A company 100% dedicated to work, a success story, recognized for its dedication and credibility for over 60 years. In its main line of business, WLM brings with their respect for the traditional performance in the commercialization of the brand's products, Scania, which is a worldwide success, strong performance in the agricultural segment in the creation of beef cattle, soy and coffee production. With about 1 million coffee trees in the noble coffee region in the country and a herd of more than 20,000 head in the northern region, where it applies the most modern management and reproduction techniques and is a reference in the region in terms of product quality, always aware of their social function and investing in the quality of life of the employees and their families. It is also a reference in its program of the renewal of the environment and conservation of the forests and native fauna, and even has a partnership with the University of São Paulo to support scientific studies and research. WLM is a proud to mark its presence in the communities where it operates with social environments, good relationships, and sustainable solutions in the units. In addition to preserving 70,000 hectares of native vegetation between the Amazon forest and Cerrado in the states of Pará and Mato Grosso. The automotive segment serves a large part of the national territory through its Scania dealers located in the states of Rio de Janeiro, Minas Gerais, São Paulo, Pará, and Amapá. There are more than 20 strategic points and more than 800 dedicated professionals. WLM's priority is customer service through a complete portfolio of Scania products and services with smart solutions, operational efficiency, and intense training programs to ensure more safety, profitability, and a superior standard of world quality. Constant effort, which is not only limited for offering high-quality products, but in a way to create sustainable world where everyone can live fully, with healthy human relationships, generating truly transformative change at all levels. WLM, trust has become a brand.